All right, so I would start off with introducing myself and Agrima. We're both counseling psychologists. We primarily work with young adults, both on one basis and in group settings. Personally, and this is the important bit, we both work intensely in our personal lives to live a sustainable and eco-friendly life, and that is why it's such a privilege to be offering this to a group of people who share the same values. So welcome to our tiny meditation sessions, which started off with thoda sa ups and lows. So before we get into that, let me just tell you a little bit about why we are doing this. So, the fight to save the environment has been a long, long one. Each day has been a battle, sometimes with the government, sometimes within the community, and sometimes with our friends and families as well. And then add on to that equation, COVID. COVID happened. On the one hand, we were being told nature's healing, right? I'm sure you must have heard that somewhere, social media, newspaper, somewhere. But on the other hand, we saw surgical masks being discarded and littered at each foot-cut distance. We saw EIA being sneaked behind our backs. And we're still witnessing Goa's Mole and Jabalpur's Dumna being damaged in the name of development. All in all I can say is, there's something that we all can agree on, is that it's been one hell of a year. We've all lost something or someone, big or small, close or not so close, during this time. But if there's one thing that stays right beside us, that's our body. Our body, from birth till the last moments of our life, it just stays with us all throughout. But इतना आसान होता है ना उसको भूल जाना. बाद में खा लेंगे, बाद में सो लेंगे, बाद में एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे, बाद में उस पेन पर टेंशन देंगे. हम भूल जाते हैं कि दैट इज आवर कंपेनियन स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक, द वन एंड ओनली ट्रू कंपेनियन. हम भूल जाते हैं कि द बॉडी इज व्हाट enables us to keep putting our best foot forward to save the environment, to keep fighting, and the most important thing, the body is what makes our existence possible on planet Earth. Agar body nahi hoti to Earth would literally be ghost town, you guys. But anyways, taking that as a base, let's spend the last few days of 2020 paying attention to our bodies, जो बहुत बारी हम neglect कर जाते हैं. Let's come home to our bodies, and let's use our senses to do that. Starting today with vision, our eyesight.
A few moments later.
Let's begin. I want you all to take a deep breath and sit down in a comfortable position. If you want, you can lie down. If you want, you can sit. Just be comfortable wherever you are. You can also keep your phone, and you do not have to hold it, because all you have to do is follow my voice and, flow into the process. Okay. All right. Close your eyes and try and focus on the blank space that you see in front of you. Look at the blank, dark space when you close your eyes. Notice how you can't see anything at all. Stay with it. Now turn your head slightly into a different direction. If you're facing straight, look towards your right. Look towards your left, any one direction. Keep your eyes closed and slowly open it. When you open it, notice any one object in front of you that you had not noticed before. It can be anything at all. What is that one object that you're noticing right now that you had never noticed before? And you're looking at it intensely and keep observing it. What do you see? That's all. What do you really see when you look at this object? Try to bring all your attention, all your focus to that one object that you see right now in front of you. Look at it closely. What is this object? What size is this object? Do you think you can fit it in your palm? Is it bigger than that? What's the size like? Also notice what's the shape of this object. Is it circular? Is it a square? Is it a rectangle? And when you focus on the shape, also notice how the edges turn. Is it sharp, like in a square or a rectangle? Or does it curve smoothly? What are the edges like? Take a point on that object and with the help of your eyes, follow the entire object's periphery. Go from one point to the other point. What color is this object? Is it dark? Is it bright? What's the hue like? If it's blue, is it light blue? Is it dark blue? Is it the shade of the sky? Or does it seem like the shade of water? What color is it? Continue observing the object. Does it have a pattern on it? Is there a design you can see? Are there details that you can look at? जो सामान को आप देख रहे हैं उसका साइज पे ध्यान देना है. वो छोटा है, बड़ा है, मीडियम साइज का है, हथेली पे फिट हो रहा है कि बहुत बड़ा है, नहीं पकड़ सकते. उसका शेप क्या है, आकार क्या है, गोल, चौकोर, किस शेप का है वो. उसके बाद उसका कलर क्या है, रंग क्या है. और उस पे कोई डिज़ाइन है, कोई पैटर्न है जिस पे शायद आपने पहले कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया हो, बट आज उस पे ध्यान जा रहा है. Look more closely. Is there something written on it? क्या उस पे कुछ लिखा है उस चीज पे जिस पे आप ध्यान दे रहे हैं? जो भी लिखा है उसको मन में पढ़िए. क्या लिखा हुआ है और लिखावट है कैसी, किस तरीके से लिखा गया है. कैपिटल है, स्मॉल है, किस तरीके से उसको लिखा गया है, एक एक लेटर पे पूरा ध्यान देके एक एक लेटर पे फोकस करिए। ये हो जाने पे आंखें बंद कर लीजिए धीरे से। वेरी स्लोली क्लोज योर आईज and follow my voice and sit as comfortably as you can. जितना कंफर्टेबल हो सकते हैं, जहां भी बैठे हैं बस आराम से बैठिए। आंखें बंद कर लेने पे एक गहरी सांस लेंगे और नाक से लेंगे। अंदर सांस भरने के बाद 4 सेकंड तक गिनती करेंगे। और अब मुंह से छोड़ेंगे सांस को। सो ब्रीद इन थ्रू योर नोज, स्टे, कीप इट इन, होल्ड इट इन फॉर 4 seconds, and then very slowly let it out your mouth. अब अपनी नॉर्मल सांस की जो रिदम होती है, बिल्कुल नॉर्मली सांस लीजिए जैसे आप लेते हैं, जब पता भी नहीं चलता है कि सांस भी ले रहे हैं, इतना एफर्टलेसली हम सांस लेते हैं। धीरे धीरे करके आंखें खोलिए और थोड़ा सा साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व करेंगे हम कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए। और इस टाइम पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस चीज पे ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, शुक्रिया अदा करेंगे कि हम कितना कुछ देख पाते हैं, कितना कुछ देख पा रहे हैं। अब हाथ को जोर से रब करके अपनी आंखों पे लगा लीजिए। ऑलराइट, ओके। purpose of this is to take out some time out of the chaos जो जिंदगी में सब समय एक हड़बड़ी मची हुई है, उससे कुछ ही पल के लिए ही लेकिन शांति या एक धैर्यता या पेशेंस या रुकावट जो आती है, उसके लिए हम ये एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। फिर मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि जब भी आपको बहुत एंजाइटी हो रही हो या फिर थोड़ी टेंशन हो रही हो और दिमाग में बहुत ख्याल आ रहे हो, तो ऐसी चीजें करने से 5 मिनट या 10 मिनट भी करने से काफी सुकून मिलता है, काफी एनर्जी भी आ जाती है। तो आई होप आप इसको यूज करेंगे वेन एवर यू आर फीलिंग टायर्ड, वेन एवर यू फीलिंग एंग्शियस, एंड आई होप आप सब लोग फिर से आएंगे। हम ये 5 दिन तक कर रहे हैं और I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. I'll take your leave now. Bye-bye.